Hi, my name is Evelio Manco, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the EVH 5150 skateboard, so stay there. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, or leave any comments below. Now, let's start. As you can see, I'm a big Van Halen fan. I have been collecting Van Halen memorabilia for years. For pins, to pick guitars, to lighters, posters, record, picture discs, and of course, guitars. And now, I bought this EVH skateboard, just to add something different to the collection. So, let's open it. This is the company that built the skate, Illuminati. It was made in the USA. And let me tell you something. This is a real unboxing. You can see the tape here and here, so I don't know if this is the right skate, and I don't know if the skate is complete. So I hope everything is well. Let's cut the tape. Let's cut it here. Let's cut it here. Let's cut it here. See, I need to cut it here too. I'm gonna need to cut it here too. Okay. I think I'm good now. Look at this. Look at this. Let's take this box out of the picture. Nice and pretty. Really pretty. This is the EVH 5150 skateboard. Like you see, you have the 5150 logo. You have the sandpaper for the grip. In the bottom, you have the EVH oval logo. You have the black stripe, the white stripe on red, like the other Van Halen guitars, you know, like the Kramer guitar, like the 5150 guitar, like the 1984 guitar, or like the Ibanez Shark Destroyer guitar. You have the trucks, you have the white wheels, the brand, Illuminati also. And in the bottom, you have the Illuminati logo, or on the tail. Awesome skate. But for me, it's more than that. I think it's a great item, or I will say a collectible item. I know there's two more decks. It's the black one with the yellow stripe, like the Bumblebee guitar, and the other one is the white with the black stripe, like the original Frankenstein guitar, the one that's on the first Van Halen record. Definitely looks great. I'm not gonna ride it. I'm gonna put it on the wall. Maybe I'm gonna put it on the top of that frame. That's the Van Halen 2 era or the Van Hagen era. Or maybe I'm gonna put it on the top of that frame. That's the Alex Van Halen pasty. That's a pasty promo. Or maybe here on the front. I don't know yet. All I know is gonna be here in the Van Halen area. Well, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the skate. I'm very happy with it. And as a Van Halen fan, I know that this skate will be a great addition to any Van Halen collection. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe, Take care and see you on the next one.